Hey, welcome back. It is 5:30 in the morning and I am taking you along to the UTC Cars and Coffee in Sarasota, Florida. And if you don't know what that is, don't worry, I'll tell you a little bit about it on the way, but first I need to pick a car to take. So let me do that real quick. All right, this is how I'm gonna do this. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a lion by its toe. If he hollers, make him pay $50 every day. My mother told me to pick the very best one, and you are not it. Okay, we're taking the Mustang. My neighbors are going to hate me that I'm taking this Mustang. It's 5:30 in the morning, and it's not the quietest car on the block. So, oh well, here we go. So the Sarasota UTC Cars and Coffee is massive. It's been going on for several years now, and typically about 800 to 1,000 cars show up for this event. So the reason why I'm heading out so early is obviously to get there and actually get in, because if you don't, you won't get in. Wake up! Perfect day. And this event only lasts about 2 hours. I think it's from 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock, and that's it. But we'll see everything from exotics all the way down to rat rods and custom builds. Gotta wake some people up now. It looks like, oh my gosh, there's already a line to get in. Nuts. My gosh, I'm really surprised there's already a line to get in here. I mean, I am super early. Squashed in between a couple of C7s, one behind me and one in front of me. And we are here. All right, we are here. I'm gonna take a walk around. So first, let's go check out some of the cars that are actually coming into the event. Yeah, this is absolutely nuts. So many cars here, and they're still pouring in. I mean, check this out. It's crazy. insane looking cars here. Okay, so I've been here probably an hour and a half, and cars are still rolling in. Check this out. Alright guys, I am heading out. What a crazy event with a ton of cars here. I hope you are enjoying the video, and make sure you click that link and subscribe for more future content, and thanks for joining. Hey, hey.